All right, so number one, declutter and depersonalize your home. So this is so important because when a buyer comes through your house, you want them to be interested. You don't want them to be distracted.
Yep.
We've discussed the importance of this before on previous videos because honestly, we feel it's so important for maximizing the return on your investment. We do our best to have this conversation with homeowners right away before even see your home, because we understand everybody's poured their heart into their home and, adding all those personal items and the style to your home. It's what we all do to make our home feel comfortable for us. But when it comes to selling your home, studies have shown that these simple staging tricks actually increase your return by around 10% is what the studies show. That's very significant when you look at today's home prices. 10% increase in return when you're taking these staging tips into heart. So definitely removing family photos, removing the larger furniture. Ideally, we can use some of your pieces and we'll walk through and talk with you and talk about which items can stay and which really should be packed up in maybe a pod or put in a storage unit. Also, you want to go through even like your drawers and your closet, take out 50% of the items, make the space 50% full. That gives the impression that you have plenty of storage space. Even it doesn't matter if you have a ton of storage space or a little bit. If you just take out enough items to make the drawer or closet look 50% full, it's going to give the impression that you have plenty of storage space in the home that you're looking to sell. So declutter, depersonalize.
That's right, Lila. All right, number 2, add in current furniture pieces and fresh accent pieces. We partner with furniture companies to fill in the missing pieces from what you've already removed to get the bigger items in place first. Then it's off to the accent pieces. For example, fresh linens make a huge impact, so we'll focus on the linens like pillows, bath towels, hand towels, curtains, things of that nature is what we'll focus on next. Even if your home is a little outdated, these new fresh items are going to make it feel new again. We also like to add some greenery like real or quality artificial plants, fresh orchids, and even fresh flowers for accent pieces. Lilah and I do this ourselves for our listing clients, and we have a storage room filled with these types of items. But there's always something we need to add, so we'll make that trip to Home Goods or Marshall's to find the final touch items if necessary. We have lots of fun with this part, and of course the shopping piece of the staging puzzle we really take a sense of pride in finding the right accent items to make your house show the absolute best. For us, it's exciting because it's one of the very last steps of completing the staging before we bring in our photographer.
All right, so finally, the deep clean. Number 3, the deep clean. Simply sweeping is not enough. If a truly interested buyer enters your home and finds dust or, God forbid, like dead bugs or something in the drawers and closets, there's a good chance they're going to be turned off and move on to the next property.
That's right.
So our advice is to invest the $200 or whatever it is to hire a professional cleaner for that deep, deep cleaning. So really you'll get your money back and a lot more when you go to sell and you have a really clean property. When people go to open the drawers and look at inside, look at your HVAC, if it's clean, it's not dusty, so worth it.
Once again, we are Lilah and Eric Ross of the Bross team with Century 21 Redwood Realty. And if we can help you with any of your real estate needs, please reach out to us, let us know. Have a great week, everybody. Bye.